Your boy got married. What's up? As you can see, this is a new set, this is a new shot, and this is it for the next month or so because we're in between places because your boy got married on the weekend and our house isn't going to be ready probably till about Easter time. And this is my wife's childhood bedroom, and this is our new shot. This is what it is for now. Anyway, today we're here to talk about S-Cinetone on the Sony A7S3. But before we do, Tristan Haynes, thanks so much for all the support. Tristan's one of my good mates. He does not care a thing about cameras, but he watches every single one of my videos, and he always sends me a message quoting something that happened in the video. So it's people like that that really help me keep going. Thanks, bro. So you might have heard, the Sony FX3 got announced the other day, and that has S-Cinetone. And it's pretty much the same camera as the Sony A7S3, which just got a firmware update, and now we've got S-Cinetone. You might be asking, what is S-Cinetone picture profile and why would I use it? S-Cinetone picture profile stems from the cinema line. So now the new FX3, the FX6, the FX9, all the way up to the Venice. It's a straight out of camera look that looks very, very natural and doesn't require a ton of post-processing. It's going to give you real natural tones, especially the skin tones are going to look very, very nice straight out of camera. The beauty about having a profile like this straight out of camera into the software means if you have a job that requires you to punch out things very, very quickly, let's say you're working an event and they want live same day updates, this is going to mean you're going to have to do very little color grading and have a nice natural profile straight out of camera. A lot of Canon fanboys have always said Sony mirrorless cameras don't have great skin tones. And yeah, maybe, maybe not, it depends who you ask. But S-Cinetone is here to fix all of that. S-Cinetone is going to give you the most natural skin colors without having to do too much work. So when the firmware upgrade got announced for the A7S3, naturally I upgraded my camera and went out and started shooting in S-Cinetone. What I want it to be for me, I want it to be these shots right now. I am filming in S-Cinetone right now. I want it to be my vlogs. I want it to be my everyday content, my out and about sort of shooting. For my client productions, it depends what I'm shooting. I might shoot in S-Cinetone. I also might shoot in log if I really need that high dynamic range. Because when it is a baked in picture profile, that is one thing we're going to forfeit. We're going to forfeit a little bit of dynamic range against a true flat log profile like S-Log3. And that is just the dynamic range beast. Lots of the car shots that I do have to be in, pretty harsh conditions, unfortunately. S-Log3 is always going to come in clutch there. I'd be very keen to give S-Cinetone a try, but I'll probably have to fall back on S-Log3 for those more high dynamic range shots. My initial thoughts on the S-Cinetone on the A7S3 after about a week of having it is it looks very natural. It looks very similar to the picture profile being turned completely off. It's a little bit nicer, you get a little bit more of that filmic look, and I really, really like that. To me, I think it definitely cleans up the skin tones. Oh, come here. Come here. Puppy. MJ just want to come and say hi. To me, I think S-Cinetone does clean up the skin tones, which is a massive positive at the end of the day. Oh, give me a kiss. So if you're a content creator needing to pump out content for festivals or something like that on the same day, this is going to be a must-have for you. Go on, go say hi to Rosie. Dog hair all over me. Remember, with all things that are creative like picture profiles or flat color grades or whatever you have, it's all subjective. What works for me and is really good for me may not be so good for you and vice versa. So take it as you will and go ahead, watch these test shots and let me know down in the comments below what you thought of the shots and what you think of S-Cinetone in general. Also, while you're down there, give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe, ding that bell because it is the only thing that helps this channel grow and I really appreciate it. Alright, enjoy the test shots.
Brand new ground, no more pain, feel no shame. Trumpet sound, shake it loud, say my name. feel the flame, walk on clouds, brand new ground, no more pain, feel no shame, trumpet sound, shaky loud, say my name, feel the flame.
MJ, I'm trying to wrap up. I'm trying to wrap up, buddy. Here, come here. Up, up. Oh, buddy. Alright. So what do you think of the pitch profile S-Cinetone? Let me know down in the comments if you'll be shooting with it and what you'll be shooting with it. Climb projects, vlogs, etc. And if you are shooting with it, let me know what camera. FX3, 6, 9. Venice? If so, that's pretty cool. Anyway, go listen to Phoenix by Lasga with a Z, not an S. And I'll see you in the next one. My name's Tradie. Thanks for sticking around. Give it a big fat thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, ding the bell. Catch you in the next one. Tristan Haynes, your bloody legend. Bye. What do you guys think of the new set? I don't mind it. All the band posters getting around. I'm actually shooting with a Forza 300 right now. I've got the 120 parabolic softbox. It is frigging huge. I've had it for probably about 6 months at the old house, and I just have had no space to set it up. So I've been waiting to get the new studio built out, a new place to finally be able to set it up. And Rosie's got a pretty large room, so I'll be finally able to set it up and have a play with it. And put it up for the first time last night, and I cannot believe just how huge it is. I'll let me take you off the tripod and I'll show you. Alright, I'm out for real this time. Bye! Should we get a thumbnail? Okay, bye bye.